So yes. So anyway, I was at street market like yesterday, if you remember, and I bought some things, and I said to you that I need to show you because I'm so happy. So the first thing that I bought is like this long necklace, and it's like a very summer vibe. Like you can see this shiny, I don't know how it's called in English, so yeah.
Seahorse.
But it's like there's a lot of like things attached to it, so it's very soundy. I don't know if it's even a word, but like yeah. And you can see like a lot of things attached, like the second like smaller one, the star. It also have two shells here. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, it's very long. It's basically like to my belly, so yeah, but it's cute, so it's fine. I got it for like 10 złotych, which is something in between $2-3. Second thing is this necklace. I will show you how short it is because I mean it's very cute. I love the flowers here. It's cute. So I'm not really scared about it being like very short because it's pretty, so you know. So yeah, it's looking like this. It was actually a bit expensive because it was like 20 złotych, which is a bit too much on the street market, but I was like, you know, like I don't have gold items and things, so maybe I could just like. That third necklace that I got is very me. It's like long and it has like these diamonds right here. It's like very cute, and it has like these flowers with the shiny something in it. So then it would look like this, which is like pretty. I love like the plastic diamonds, like these plastic charms. I love them. It cost me also 10 złotych, which is something in between $2 to $3. I also buy this shell. Because I want to stick it to my wall. As you can like see, like here you can see what's here, but I also have like shells stick them, so maybe I can like show you a bit. I also got some bags. The first bag is shiny a bit. It's looking like this. It's also handmade, so it's one of a kind. The inside is, well, gray, but the pocket is polka dot, which I love. I also have a backpack, and it's very cute. It's giving Hannah Montana a bit. The inside is also like so cute that I actually fall in love with the like inside of this backpack so much, because like animals, like it's very colorful, and I just love it. Like the whole backpack is like this. And the other is this bag. It reminds me of Chanel, maybe because of the flower. The inside is pretty cute. I think it's cute. It's looking like this. These are the things that I bought. And that's basically it. I was very happy with like buying all of this stuff. So thank you so much for watching this haul. Thank you. Bye.